So one of the ways in which you can create pages in Microsoft Power Pages is by using AI itself. So Copilot is built in onto Microsoft Power Pages, and over here on the top you can access and describe what type of a site you want. So over here what I'm going to do is say design a website based on benefits of learning using TutorTube YouTube channel right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and save this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So once you do that, what actually happens is that it'll go ahead and take that prompt and will create the site details for you right here, just like this. So now you can see that you can actually go ahead and choose a domain for it as well. If it is available, then it'll actually show it as available right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and click on next. You can see a preview right here, just like this. And if you're okay, you can go ahead and click on next right here. And then around over here, you can add in different pages like FAQ, contact us, about us. Let me just go ahead and add in everything right here and click on done. So once you do that, it goes ahead and arranges out everything for you so that your site is ready. So you can see that it says we are setting up your site. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while. And then it's getting the things ready, as you can see right here. And in a while, your site will be ready right here. So you can see that you got all of the pages right here, like about us, contact us, FAQ, whatever we chose right here. And apart from that, we can also go ahead and edit out the content as we want right here, and add in the content, edit it out as we want right here, just like this. And this is one of the effective ways to go ahead and use AI to go ahead and create an entire site for you by using Microsoft Power Pages. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.